Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making one of my recipes. This is a family recipe. It's one of my mother's recipes for frosted Chewies. It's kind of an alternative to Rice Krispie Treats. It's really delicious. Let's get started.
Not too many ingredients today. We need 6 cups or about 230 grams of Rice Krispies or Corn Flakes, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of corn or rice syrup, 1 cup or 235 grams of peanut butter, 2 to 300 grams of dark or milk chocolate to taste. Start out by buttering your baking form really well. Don't use baking spray here, butter or margarine. Then add the sugar and syrup to a small pot and put it over medium heat. Stir it occasionally to ensure it doesn't burn. Heat the sugar until it comes to a good, solid boil. Remove the sugar from the heat. Be careful, it's really hot. Gently stir in the peanut butter until the peanut butter melts and the mixture becomes one color. Pour the mixture over the cereal in a large bowl. Stir as much together as possible until the cereal is completely covered with the sugar peanut butter mixture. It should now be cool enough to touch without burning yourself. Pour the cereal into the prepared form. Butter your hands and press the cereal firmly into the form. Set the mixture aside and let it set up for a few minutes. In the meantime, melt the chocolate in the microwave at 50% power for 30-second bursts, stirring in between each one until the chocolate is completely melted. Pour the melted chocolate over the cereal treats and spread it around a bit. You can add more chocolate if you need more. But this recipe tastes best with just a little chocolate along the top, so the chocolate flavor doesn't overpower the peanut butter. Now the hardest part. Set the treats aside until the chocolate sets up. Once it's ready, you won't see any wet-looking chocolate anymore, and you can cut the treats with a knife. Here's what they look like when they're ready. These are sticky and have a mild peanut butter flavor. The chocolate just enhances it. These taste amazing, and I have to ration them so I don't eat too many in one sitting. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. If you make these yourself, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your work. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe for regular recipes and cake videos.